In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix conversations not showing up in ChatGPT. If a chat you know you had isn't appearing in your sidebar, don't worry, there are two quick places to check. First, we'll look for it using the built-in search. Then, if it still doesn't show up, we'll check your archived chats. Start by going to the sidebar on the left. At the very top, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon. Click that to open the search for your recent chats. In the search field, type in details you remember from the conversation. This could be a unique phrase you used, a specific topic, a project name, or even a part of the title if you rename the chat. Give it a moment to return results. If nothing comes up, try a different keyword or a shorter phrase, and double-check your spelling. Sometimes a small difference in wording can hide exactly what you're looking for. This search is helpful because the sidebar only shows a subset of your history at a glance, and older conversations can get pushed down out of view. If your search doesn't bring it back, it may have been archived. Archived chats are hidden from your recent list, so they won't appear in the sidebar. To check, look to the bottom left of the app and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, choose Settings. Inside Settings, open Data Controls. Here, find Archive Chats and click Manage. This takes you to your archive area, which keeps conversations you've tucked away. Browse the list and look for the conversation you're trying to find. You can open it directly from here to review its contents. If you don't immediately recognize the title, look for familiar timestamps, topics, or any wording that rings a bell. A few quick tips as you go. If you use very general search terms, you might see too many results. So try something specific you remember typing, like a distinctive phrase or a file name you mentioned. If a conversation had a custom title, searching a single key word from that title often works best. And remember that archiving simply moves a chat out of your recent list. It doesn't delete it, so the archive is the most likely place to find missing threads. That's all there is to it. Use the magnifying glass in the sidebar to search your recent chats. And if that doesn't do the trick, open Settings, go to Data Controls, and click Manage under Archived Chats to locate it. With these two checks, you'll usually recover any conversation that seems to have disappeared.